Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Burning 99.9% of the supply of Shiba Inus, a $1 full breakdown could happen. Breaking news: over the past day, there has been a noticeable decline in the price of cryptocurrencies. From Sunday's values, the worldwide cryptocurrency market capitalization has decreased by 1.97%. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization, according to data aggregator CoinMarketCap, is $946.5 billion. With $52.80 billion transacted in the cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours, the overall volume is 14.27% less than on Sunday. The dominance of Bitcoin is now 39.75%, down 0.1% from the previous day. Dogecoin, a popular joke cryptocurrency, and Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency, both had significant declines. Over the past day, meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has dropped significantly by 12.177%, while Dogecoin has dropped a staggering 10.92%. Virtue Zone, the top company formation and corporate services provider in the United Arab Emirates, has teamed up with Binance, the world's top blockchain ecosystem and cryptocurrency infrastructure provider, to become the first business in the country to accept cryptocurrency payments for Binance Pay business setup. Virtue Zone, which is at the forefront of the early use of cryptocurrencies, aims to lower obstacles to entrepreneurship by facilitating cryptocurrency payments for the establishment of businesses and, at the same time, expanding the chances available to international companies to participate in the growing startup scene in the nation. Virtue Zone is a major player in the Web 3.0 movement in the United Arab Emirates and hopes to promote the usage of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology in the nation through the strategic cooperation. With this advancement, Virtue Zone has become one of the first firms in the UAE to incorporate Binance Pay into their systems, alongside GA Resorts and Hotels and Majid Al Futtaim. Contactless, international, and secure cryptocurrency payments and transfers are made possible via Binance Pay, a unique payment mechanism developed by Binance. It does away with the costs and delays associated with transactions managed by middlemen or third parties by supporting many cryptocurrencies, enabling user-to-user payments, and facilitating instantaneous money transfers anywhere in the world. Of the program, Shiba Inu, which joined in early August, and all other cryptocurrencies taking part in the Binance Pay plan profit from it. As you mentioned today, Binance has formally included XRP, AVAX, and SHIB as options for payments on its platform. Businesses utilizing the services of a new Binance company mining in the United Arab Emirates will be prepared to accept these cryptocurrencies as a form of payment thanks to Binance Pay. Additionally, Virtue Zone will only collaborate with lawful organizations that require sophisticated small company suppliers who will very certainly need to generate sizable revenue streams. Several hotel and retail operators in the UAE have previously used Binance Pay in addition to Virtue Zone. This is the second news article in the last 7 days that emphasizes using Binance Pay. Prepaid cards from MasterCard and Binance were reportedly going to be introduced in Argentina. Customers in Argentina will be able to use this to make purchases from over 90 million merchants who accept MasterCard. The Shiba army has burned over $250 million SHIB in 22 transactions during the last 24 hours, according to Sharam data. Burning 276 quadrillion 280 trillion 201 billion 549 million and 26 SHIB reduced the amount of Shiba Inu tokens available. Burning is a typical practice of the Shiba army. Tokens are burned when they are moved to wallets and become unusable. Burning the tokens removes them from circulation, creating a sense of scarcity. By burning, the army hopes to decrease the amount of MEM coins available and raise their price. As of Friday, August 26, the burn rate of Shiba tokens has increased by almost 25%. There are currently 558 billion, 186,954,000, and 742,224 SHIB remaining from the circulating supply of SHIB after 410 trillion, 378 billion, 568 million, and 11,971 are burned. the Shiba army won't drastically cut the supplies for a while. The new Shiba Bay platform is actively involved in the burning of Shiba Inus, with almost 300 million SHIB destroyed thus far. Installed on the Binance Smart Chain is the platform. It is traded on the decentralized pancakeswap exchange. More than 2 weeks ago, 139 million SHIB were circulated on Twitter by a user going by the handle at Shiba Bay Token. They have moved 160 million K9 tokens to unreliable wallets recently. At $0.1235, Shib's price had increased 3.02% over the previous day. On CoinMarketCap, the second largest meme cryptocurrency has fallen behind DAI and Polygon. After falling nearly 7% in the past week, the meme coin is now ranked 14th on CoinMarketCap. The eagerly anticipated full release of Shiba Eternity, the Shiba Inu card collector game, is quickly approaching. This was verified by seasoned game developer William Vull at the world's largest video gaming conference, Gamescom 2022. According to Vull, the Shiba Eternity might go on sale worldwide in September 2022. It will launch in additional locations in September, and there will be a download day where we aim to distribute it to every member of the Shiba army. Vull disclosed this throughout the occasion. Vull, who was chosen Shiba Eternity's consultant, claims that extensive testing will be done to make sure the game is bug-free before Shiba Eternity is released to the general public. Before we do the worldwide launch, we're going to make sure it's fully tested, and that includes handling a volume of users playing together, Vull stated. The anticipated release date of Shiba Eternity aligns with comparable conjectures expressed by lead developer Shoshir Kama of Shiba Inu. Remember how the Shiba Inu team had tested Shiba Eternity in Vietnam for its initial testing cycle? With over 1,000 downloads since its release, the game is clearly well-liked throughout the nation. According to the Shiba Eternity consultant, testing proceeded reasonably well, with good performance and reaction speed. Vull emphasized that in order to meet potential demand after Shiba Eternity goes public, the server must be expanded by a factor of 50. Concurrently, Vull revealed at Gamescom that the team needed to increase the game server's speed by a factor of 100. In addition to disclosing Shiba Eternity's debut date, Vull revealed some fascinating gaming trivia. In addition to SHIB, Vull mentioned that Hearthstone, the best collectible card game ever, served as inspiration for Shiba Eternity. The production team intends to go beyond the 10,000 Shoshir characters that are utilized in the game, he continued. We aim to create it in 3 dimensions and make it appear excellent on mobile and other platforms. In order to make the cards match the Shiba world's world and mythology, we attempted to be creative with them, Vull said. Before the end of 2022, a group of developers within Shib's network are expected to integrate a stablecoin called SHEI into the MEM Coins environment, according to Shoshir Kusama. The idea behind SHEI is to give the community a token that acts as a hedge against market volatility and a means of counterbalancing payments. In order to prevent such situations, the project will consider the reasons behind the recent failure of various stable coins, such as Terra USD and staked ETH. Shoshir Kusama stated, "We've seen independent development from a group of developers in our decentralized network, as part of the announcement. They have put in a version of SHEI that appears to avoid the problems with previous moonshots and yet enables SHEI to be used for counterbalancing and necessary payments that don't change with the market. Like everything SHIB does that is decentralized, this protocol will be experimental. As it is finalized and free of crazy problems, a more comprehensive and intricate set of details regarding this token will be made public." The primary Shiba Inu developer continued, "This is anticipated for release in 2022. Treat is another intriguing development that is to be expected, as stated in Shiba Inu's Wolf article. The token's purpose is to serve as an incentive for ecosystem community members. The release of the Treat Reward token is expected to be a significant step towards the full decentralization of the Shiba Inu project. Although the primary goal of Treat is to assist those who are currently a part of the SHIB ecosystem, the project will also generate incentives for the metaverse and the Shiba collectible card game. Additionally, the TREAT token will support SHEI stablecoins balancing. The chief developer for Shiba Inu, however, pointed out that the TREAT reward token's use case needed to be clearly defined and detailed with well-designed tokenomics prior to its introduction. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.